So we saw the Jayco Swift. How about the Thor Sequence here? This is a different floor plan. Let's take a look at this. Want to guess what this one looks like? So 80,000. Somebody asked what the least expensive van we've seen so far. That's right around there. This is the 20K. It's kind of hard to read. This does have the their lithium-ion system. It's a $25,000 option, and the decor kit is $188. In case you're wondering, but this floor plan is at least they're trying innovation, and I appreciate the trying the innovation. So one side's a bed. This would fold out to a big bed. So no permanent bed, but maybe you can have a permanent table kind of with a lagoon table here, right? We're seeing this over and over. Galley is in the back, which is different. Big space here to put stuff on. I like that. Huge fridge at a normal level. Love that. Drawers are humongous. The bathroom here is, because it's on a ProMaster, I think the advantage of the Beyond with the back bath is you have more space. This is pretty small. It does have the string around curtain, which is great. You do need to use it. Let's see if they got the tip and fill and tip. Toilet, this would be the wardrobe. So a very common theme. At least they're trying something different in a floor plan, which I really appreciate. Propane, love this look, right? Residential very much. Microwave, big drawers, residential sink in a good spot. There's the cover. So $99,000 show price. They're calling it the expanding sleeper sofa, which is what this is. What do you think of this? Big, long cupboards, huge cupboards. Shades are in the soffit thing here. Windows do open. Storage underneath. Build quality good, not to Coachman quality, I would say, for sure. I'd say about on par with Winnebago. Some may disagree. Now these are the Techniform cabinets. Very neutral color palette. Master Volt is the lithium-ion system these guys are using. So this is interesting. The generator is actually running, even though it's plugged in, which is probably a no-no, but it's actually pretty quiet. I didn't even notice.
Very nice. You got the.
But this was running on the inside. Let's try that.
That's the new generator.
That's pretty good.
I know. We're not supposed to run them, so I started it.
Oh,
so
I
I
see.
could show people,
Yeah,
but I'm
okay.
going to shut it down here in a second. And it doesn't give an extra boost when you turn the AC on or anything.
Oh, really? Okay. I was going to try it with the door closed. Yeah, just see what it sounds like inside. Can you grab that one for me?
The generator's running.
Okay, so it's running. It's better than some, right?
Oh,
Some
it's way better.
Yeah.
This is the new one.
The new one?
Yeah. If you got an older one, I just stopped it.
Okay.
I saw my manager come over. I'm like, well, we got to demonstrate it, because that's one of the reasons why people don't want a generator sometimes,
Right.
because it's a lot louder. But this is the new.
It's pretty quiet.
Yes. Turn around. But this will, you can take it off completely, or you can fit it, when these two are turned around, you can fit it right between them, because there's no armrests.
Oh yeah.
So then we take these cushions here. This comes off. And then you set this down here. And then that one comes out the same width.
Right? That's a huge bed if you put them both
It
together.
is. For
It's
this
giant.
size of a
Yeah,
van,
it's,
this is a big bed.
you got a.
That's almost a king.
It's
That's a
probably
queen.
not quite that long.
That long. Width-wise, it would be though.
Yeah.
Or heck, you could sleep
I would
here.
say at least a queen. It's
You could
probably
just,
60
if
inches.
you're by yourself, you could leave this and just walk.
Yeah,
still have
that's what I was just thinking. Certainly, if you put your head and body there and your feet here,
Yep.
you just need to do one.
Is this the one you run the generator roll go?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, that was
Your little table here.
Flip the
So
chair
if
around.
both chairs want to turn around and you leave this the way it is, then one can use one table and.
This comes out and over.
And you spin that seat around to exit.
Yeah. Do you know how to spin that? I just learned yesterday because it's new.
Here, let me get it.
There's a underneath this little.
Oh, it's under there?
Yes, it's a little yellow.
So that's not a
tab.
factory spinner then?
No, not from.
Not from Dodge.
Yeah.
Or I mean Ram.
So you pinch that and then it unlocks it.
Oh, okay.
And as long as, and then this dial over here, the big one.
Mm.
Yep.
So when you have it like this and there's no arm in the middle, that table fits right up in between
Yeah.
both chairs.
Is this thing, it still swivels or does it end up locking? Or is it locked? Oh, it is.
No, it's just tight.
There.
It'll lock all the way if you turn
Okay.
it. You can't drive like that though. Literally,
Oh,
it
it won't let-
won't
oh, okay.
engage.
So, what are your thoughts on these? Again, I really appreciate trying a different floor plan, some innovation. So, no permanent table, no permanent bed. So, that would be my issue for the way I roll. How would this work for you?
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side, our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.